Jolly's Food Challenges.
So, ang gagawin namin ay buldak! Mumukbangin namin to with gatas and
Nori.
pinaka-favorite sa buldak is a nori. So, yan. Bubuksan na naman
So,
yung nori.
our food is
Buldak.
egg,
Egg,
hot
New Yorker hotdog,
and
and
buldak.
carbonara. This is my nori, yung nori. Hatiin natin ito mamaya. Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
And our milk for today is Nestle. Let's start.
We're gonna eat the nori. I'm open naman yun. Huwag na natin kainin yung isang nori.
Yes.
Isang nori lang kakainin namin.
Pamigay namin. Here's my nori. They look like hair. Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat, guys. Pray. Let's go.
Let's go! I'm so kinakabahan. Main.
Maanghang. See?
Oo nga.
Sarap na. This is perfect sa mga hindi mahilig sa maanghang. So, masarap, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Shout out sa aking mami. Nagluto.
Shout out kay Akaungs. Joke lang.
Si mami nagluto. Mami ko nagluto.
Hindi kami magkapatid.
Magkaiba kami ng mami, ha.
Nagtinda mami ko.
Mami ko.
It's a little bit spicy but nice.
Hindi ka anghang yung niluto mo na nga. Okay, so...
Sobrang anghang sa. Mas masarap pag may nori, guys.
Hindi siya maanghang, guys. Promise.
Konti.
I like it.
Yes.
Rate 10.
And so cheesy then.
Favorite ko na yung bulldog. By the way, kakaligo lang namin. So, malinis kami.
Hindi nyo lang nakikita mga light diyan. Kasi pangit quality.
Maganda water lang. Walang milk. Kasi tolerable. Hindi siya sobrang anghang. Like, mapapa. Hindi kami kaganon. Kasi, ano lang. Hindi nga maanghang eh. Kung nandito kayo, guys. Uy, umuusok pa, guys. Oh, nakikita na ba?
Kasi kakaluto lang.
Guys, promise.
Tsaka, madaming milk.
Hindi, unti lang din eh.
Oh my God! Try it, guys. Konting sauce lang nilagay. Hindi siya
Masarap ka?
maanghang.
Titiran ko si mami and si daddy. Dapat try ko.
Bibilit ka pa?
Hindi. Ito, titira.
Joke lang.
Ang sarap. Hindi ka magkakasipon. Di ba? Hindi talaga maanghang.
Seaweed. Guys, mauubos na ang seaweed ko kakatira.
Tira. Ay, ang sarap. Maybe, dapat pala dalawa na binili natin eh. Isa lang kasi to guys. Mabibitin pa kami nito. Sure ako.
Kaso masarap.
Kasi masarap.
Yes, sir.
With New Yorker hotdog with cheese. Oh.
New York yan.
Basing. Sarap.
Try ko nga.
I love it.
Crunchy.
Ang sarap.
I'm loving it.
Favorite ko yung hotdog. I mean, sausage.
Hotdog sausage.
Ang pumuputok pa yung egg. Pinatok ko kasi. Putokin mo na rin.
What the?
Putokin ng egg. Putokin mo.
Wait lang.
Lamizi.
Oh, look at that. It's so yellowy.
Siyempre. Maybe titiran ko sila mami. Just for them to try. Want to experience.
Na-try na ata eh.
Dati,
And with egg.
masarap to. Basing.
It's so sick.
Sika ba?
Not spicy at all.
Walang hint ng spice na. Walang umana sa dila. Diba? Walang kamang naman. Naman?
Hindi.
Hindi talaga.
Ang sarap talaga ng sausage.
Sausage. Sarap guys. Hindi namin maubos yung milk kasi hindi siya maanghang. Na.
Ay, sorry, seaweed, di ka napapansin.
Tituran ko din sila mami ng seaweed.
Na my mom hates spicy.
Gusto i-try ng daddy ko. So,
Saan mag-subscribe ka?
mag-subscribe. Mag-subscribe kayo, ha? Yung sabi ko sa inyo. Nag-dream. Joke lang.
Masarap talaga, guys.
Mama, ang sarap!
Narinig ka na.
Dapat pala dinagdagan natin ng spicy mo.
Ay,
Hindi na maanghang eh. Walang kaanghang-anghang.
yeah.
Promise, guys.
Kesa
We're not lying.
wala kasi akong, dati nung nag-try ako ng buldak, di ba? Walang gatas.
Ano yung gatas guys? Oh! May nakalimutan kami.
Ano yun?
Wait guys, we're gonna post the video.
Bakit?
So we're back.
With our
Nagpalagay kami na
cheesy. Look, it's so cheesy.
Ayan yung cheese guys.
Let me try with buldak.
Haluin natin, Riley. Haluin mo. Mas masarap. Haluin mo.
Lasang siomay na.
Hindi lang siya na. She's just imaginating.
Imagination is not real.
It's real.
No. Let's add seaweed.
I love this.
I forgot our tissue.
Buldak hits different. No?
By the way, tag someone you wanna eat with buldak.
Or send this to them. If they do not respond with a heart, red heart emoji, they're not your real friends.
What time comment section ba?
Meron.
Wow, look at that. So creamy.
Wait. They're just too serious.
I only have one left.
I will give it to my mom.
And 3, 2, 1. I love this
I'm
guy.
sorry if you're watching this at
3 a.m.
midnight. It's so good.
Stop flexing, low bro.
You're just a little.
It's so good. It's not spicy, right?
Yeah. I love it.
I'm loving it.
Buldak chips.
Why is it so freaking good?
I love it so much.
Yo, I really love the sausage too. But why is it so good?
Okay, it's a So, this is my last bite.
No, bro.
Last bite. I just wanna give it to my mom, so mom and dad, at mom and dad, sa mami ko and sa daddy ko, para matry nila ang dito. So, tapos na ako, ikaw. Done. Okay, I will wait you.
Okay, it's done. Let's just watch.
What is that?
Okay, bye guys.
That's all. I hope you finish.
Ano yung kain ng dalawa?
Bye, guys.
Bye.